Yes.
Bye.
What? Huh? That's right, Mokey. We're doing mathematics. Math? But the math is bad. It's very, very bad. Yo, it's not bad, Mokey. Math is for smart people to solve smart problems, like depression. Yo. Well, I am very smart.
No, you're not, Mokey. You're a fool. You're a fool like everyone else, Mokey.
You wanna be smart, Mokey? Okay, I wanna be just a little bit. What are you doing to me? My face! What is all that screaming? I don't know, Mommy. What are you doing? None of your business. I smell meth. Smell again, Mommy. That's it! I'm gonna call the police! You turned my phone off! You think you're really smart, huh? Well, I don't need my phone!
Just stop screaming. What do you want, ma'am?
They have meth!
Right, guys, I heard that. You have math.
No! I need it!
Oh, I feel sad. Oh. What about this guy? He looks like he has a lot of math. Oh, no! That's Dylan's tumor. He's dead. Oh! Oh, if you need math here, you have some fun. If you want more, ask the guy over there. He has the good shit.
Thank you, Mr. Policeman.
Yeah, no problem.
If he's not gonna take you down,
I will!
big mistake, Mommy. Now you will pay. My brain! You might have a brain,
But I have a gun!
how about you, Grubby? Are you smart?
Hell no! I'm a dumbass! Oh, hell no!
I might not be smart, but I'm a clever